La Salle's already been done. Barradine College, are we here? Sangatipitilo, are we here? Are you out here? Ipsum girls? Did I miss anybody? St. Tom's, where you at?
Okay. O le tātou pese le sasi lo whātunga le sunga Mr. Cowboy. Le la whare tātou give away. Le pese fo le whai mai. Ele wau se fulu olo. Who like that song? Can I hear you say, oh yeah?
Oh yeah!
Oh yeah!
Oh yeah!
Now, ready 5:31 PI. Bringing Pacific people together. On 3, you say bringing Pacific people together. 1, 2, 3.
Bringing Pacific people together.
Come on, louder. You can do louder than that. 1, 2, 3. Okay, giveaway for mole. Giveaway. Yeah, that's fight long of Aptoya. Yeah, that's fight long of Aptoya. Yeah, la fa one way pay your musical DJ. Or the Kangaka, Koilunga Siva. Makoi Siva, and they're going out Siva for Ganga Fa Pea. Lea, yellow Siva Manga Manka Kuku. Or the Siva for Ganga, yeah, Malimba, the Ulu. Lunga, Naloa, DJ. Can you please drop that chain from Mola DJ? Louder! Hip! Come on, Samoan!
Stand up! Represent your school!
Let's all stand up! Come on! Hip!
I want all the students to come to the front!
Hey! Hello!
Sacred Heart, come to the front! Barradine, come to the front! St. Peter's, come to the front! Macaulay, where you at? We want to give away some prizes tonight. Let's go! Hey!
Let me see your hands up in the air! Hey! When I say 685, you say to the world, 685!
To the world!
Se vai le piccole oh! Come on! Ngaya! Vai se mi careful fulang me makalea! A giveaway for that green pair of mole. Hello. Be careful, vai pulo there. Be careful, vai pulo there. Mole, the one with the hat. Hey. Last out t-shirt. White t-shirt. There. Sit over there. Okay. Mr. Cowboy, when I say Oblada, you say. When I say Oblada, you say. Faumamaya kakakan pesela. Faumamaya kakol pesela. Thank you, DJ. Thank you. Kako pese foi lá fululoa. Lela ko nga amaka. Faumamaya uko. Sau fai chapa enga la lea. Sau in free there for the quick concord there. Come on. Hide my father, don't be shy. Mawarafu. Ain't I'm not taking for selfie then. Yeah, no for money there. I can't go away, you should pay something, mate. DJ! Another chance for my people! Now, have you got any more giveaways? Okay. DJ. Lunga. Alulo. Hey. Ngaya. Hey. When I say onovalu, you say lima. Onovalu. Onovalu. When I say onovalu, you say lima. Onovalu. Onovalu. Now, lawa longo mai Mr. Cowboy. Ele mafayong asaw. Pea faye loko neck make go. I like your t-shirt. Last one. Give it to that Kelston supporter. Any Kelston boys here in the house? Let me see your case up. Let me see the case up. Nice, nice. Mangere College, are you still here? Yeah, or are you college? Sacred Heart. Saki Kako. O le pese foi nga le la ko usu fululu. Le la ko usu fululu. E umana ko usu fululu. Salo Mr. Cowboy lunga. Are you guys okay? Are you guys okay? Now, ele o ua se fai ali fumasele o le po. Payas foi kangam my guy there. Gabby, over to you, my sis.
Mr. Cowboy!
Woo, Mr. Cowboy, are you ready? Are you ready? Now, ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together and make some noise for the one and only Mr. Cowboy!
On a warm summer's eve, on a train bound for nowhere, I met up with
Oh, yeah.
How's everybody doing today? On a warm summer's evening, on a train bound for nowhere, I met up with a gambler. We were both too tired to sleep, so we took turns to staring at the windows out of darkness. They put them over to us, and they began to speak. They said, son, I made a life out of reading people's faces and knowing what the cards were by the way they held their eyes. So if you don't mind me saying, I can see you're out of aces. For the taste of your whiskey, I'd give you some advice. So I handed him my bottle, and he drank down my last swallow. Then he bummed a cigarette, asked me for a light, and the night got deadly quiet, and his face lost all expression. Said, if you're gonna play the game, boy, you gotta learn to play. Come on, you get nowhere to walk away, nowhere to run. You never count your money. When you're sitting out at table, there'll be time there for counting when the dealing's done. All right, baby. Yeah!
When I say Mister, you say Cowboy.
Now
Mister.
every gambler knows
Mister.
the secret to surviving is knowing what to throw away, knowing what to keep. Guess every hand's a winner, and every hand a loser. The best thing you can hope for is to die in sleep. And when he finished speaking, he turns back towards the window, crushed out a cigarette, and faded off to sleep. Then somewhere in the darkness, the gambler, he broke even. But his final words I found, they said, come on, you got to know when to hold on. Know when to furl, come on.
Pass it. Hey, hey.
We'll be down there for counting when the dealing's done. Know when to hold on. Come on. No.
Let's give it up to us on the solo.
There'll be time there for counting when the dealing's done. You got to know when to hold on. Know when to throw the home. Know when to walk away. Know when to run. You never count your money. When you're sitting at a table, there'll be time there for counting when the dealing's done.
Lua pati mana Mr. Cowboy. Lua pati mana Cowboy. Lua pati mana Samoan stage.
Pesele mole kwa lo fanga la fulu ulo malava u faiga faka singa iva le aso. Yo ki ngare me a. No, where's this song? Please sing along. I lo to alu air. Say I will fire it's a fire.
Let me hear you make some noise.
Only say tau hani matau. Olau mana mea. Bear you know little see I no matu le fa pungai. Nai tau tu mai ya o sili lau vai. E tui pala lava ui fe au le tele o tai mai. Au ta fa fau tu angane mati e ti e pasi. Au te moi le po male mali au ulohi mata. They jowling a type for see I pupula on a matter. Hey, beautiful.
Besa Matato.
Elio, I was if I valley for my leo pearl. Elio, if I down, I may a massive pulo. Elio, sit down, I say, Manu. Why fai pe ya u le tano tu I kokolena e fai ya fica e fa pe lava oi e le imbawa tu la uva ai le tava le na sa uai a tu mama homai. Malona siu leona ulangona baby situ mahora morning. Oi oe e tai lo tapatu beta te oti. Wow maua tai tai ane ma oi e le tuli manu. Au tu aina o a o malau fa malu. O te leilo ai no ai sei si tangata. Taluna e a pala I le fa yulu alema. Sing along, come on. Ele o au se fai fali fumo se leo pearl. Put your hands in the air, put your hands in the air. Ele o se fai tanga me ma se fulo. Ele o se tama se manu. Ua e fai fa pe ya u. Le tano tu I kokolena e fai mocho alua. Beautiful. Everybody put your hands in the air. Put your hands in the air. Everybody put your hands in the air. Come on. Yo Pamaya le wa se fulu ulo. Le wa fo se fai kanga mea. Yo le ai e ki ngā le mea Ioe e ki ngā kele le mea Ioe karo whai Ioe sing along Ele All right, baby. Come on. Ele se chama semanu Uai fai fa peaga E tano atu I kokolina E fai mo jo alua One more time. Come on. Beautiful. Ele se fai tanga me amase fululo. Whoa. Ele se chama semanu. Uai fai fa peaga. Le tano atu I kokolina E fai mo jo alua Ai tu e fa fo ia tu Sunga o lau papa.
Let's give it up once again
Hey,
for
hey.
Mr. Cowboy.
Hey, hey!
Lunga,
Come on.
lunga.
On your feet. Yeah! All right.
Yeah.
You know what time it is. Oh yeah. Hey! Oh bloody yeah. Hey!
Come to the front, oh Maya, Luma. Yo, ho,
There's
ho,
a
hey.
barrel in the marketplace. Molly's the singer in the band. Desmond says to Molly, girl, I like your face. And Molly say this as she takes him by the... Come on! Oh bloody, life goes on. La da, life goes on. One more time! Oh bloody, life goes on.
Oh yeah.
La da, life goes on.
Hey, hey.
All right, baby. Yeah! Desmond takes a trolley to a jewelry store. Buys a 20 karat gold ring. Takes it back to Molly waiting at the door. And as he gives it to her, she begins to sing. One more time. Oh bloody, life goes on. La da, life goes on. Oh bloody, life goes on. La da, life goes on. With a couple of kids, oh sweetheart. With a couple of kids running in the yard of this man and Molly Jones. Happy ever after in the marketplace. Desmond lets the tuna lend a hand. Molly stays at home and does her pretty face. And in the evening, she still sings here with the band. Come on! Oh bloody, life goes on. La da, life goes on. All right! Oh bloody, life goes on. La da, life goes on. All right!
When I say mister, you say cowboy, mister.
Desmond has a barrel in the marketplace. Molly's a singer in the band. Come on, sing along. Desmond. Come on. Oh bloody, life goes on.
Hey, hey.
La da, life goes on. One more time. Oh bloody, life goes on. La da, life goes on. I said la da, life goes on. One more time. I said la da, life goes on. Thank you very much, gentlemen. Thank you.
Woo! Who wants more? Who wants more? Who wants some more? Mr. Cowboy, are you coming back or are you not going back? Are you coming or are you coming? More, 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 more. All right, all right.
All right, Joshi. Who wants more? Who wants more? I can't hear you. Who wants more? All right. Turn it up, Joshi. You know what time it is.
Hey!
I get by you, we got a girl near my house.
Lunga lima,
I
lunga
got a
lima,
girl,
lunga lima.
put a P-roll down the bio. It's Yvonne, as sweet as one near my girl. Son of a gun, we'll have big fun on the bio. And they put dukes, found in dukes, the place is buzzing. The game for girls, sleeve on by the dozen. Dressed in style, I go hog wild, me and Michael. Son of a gun, we'll have big fun on the bio. Jambalaya, crawfish pie, and Philly gumbo. For tonight, I'm gonna see my share of meal. A big guitar, few for jar, and a big you. Son of a gun, we'll have big fun on the bio. Yeehaw!
Yay on three!
All right.
1, 2, 3! Yay on three! 1, 2, 3!
Settle down, far from town, get to hear my people.
Yo, yo, yo,
And
yo!
you'll catch all the fish in the bio. So happy's mom to buy all what she need. Son of a gun, we'll have big fun on the bio. Jambalaya, crawfish pie, and Philly gumbo. For tonight, I'm gonna see my share of meal. And big guitar, few for jar, and potato. Son of a gun, we'll have big fun on the bio. Jambalaya, crawfish pie, and Philly gumbo.
Shiva, make that go, make go out! Yo, yo! Help! Help!
Yes, in the air. Son of a gun, we'll have big fun on the bio. Jambalaya, crawfish pie, and Philly gumbo. For tonight, Jeremy, a big guitar, few for jar, and potato. Son of a gun, we'll have big fun on the bio. Son of a gun, we'll have big fun on the bio. Son of a gun, we'll have big fun on the bio. Son of a gun, we'll have big fun on the bio. Thank you very much, Mr. Cowboy.
Cowboy,
Thank you so much.
we'll just get a selfie with our people, please. Touch to the solo. So, mayola boy, yel to what I'm Mr. Cowboy. Everybody behind it. Come on, everybody in the background. Tasi, lua, tolu, fa. Tatu fa tasa so au mai se pat pat mama faraga ba sunga ya Sam Jukun aka
Everybody say,
Mr. Cowboy.
Everybody say, yeah! All right. Thank you very
Lua.
much.
Lua pati male. Iya. Lua pati maling. Thank you so much, Samoan. Tato Shoninga, ya Morinea Oli, 5 Titan Lover, Marina 531 PI, bringing Pacific people! Bringing Pacific people together! Yeah, Leila, now what Mr. Cowboy? Hey. Thank you so much. Manuel and Ayaso, all the best, all the schools.